Sit or stand in a comfortable position. Breathe in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Take 3 deep breaths. Think of a sound, a piece of music, the tone of a voice that gives you a feeling of calm, strength, and the ability to handle whatever comes. Allow this sound to fill your body slowly with each breath. Start with your head. Allow the music to fill your head and vibrate gently down your neck into your chest. Breathe in and harmonize with the sound, allowing it to continue through your torso. Hear the music or sound. Is it loud or soft? Is it high or low? How do you hear it? Breathe in, and as you exhale, listen for the sound along your spine. With the next breath, the sounds vibrate through your legs and into your feet. Go slowly. Tune into the sound as it moves through your arms and into your hands. Your whole body is now resonating with this sound. When you're ready, come back to the here and now and open your eyes.